start with the another important question. This is from the medical termination of the pregnancy. A 22-year-old mentally ill pregnant woman, female, is brought for MTP. Consent in this case to be taken from whom? Legal guardian, doctor treating the patient, partner, or the self-consent. Remember the rule of the NTP, which was passed in the year of 1971, the MTP Act. It states that the woman, the woman who is more than 18 years of age, equal to or more than 18 years of age, she can give her consent. Okay, here it is 22 years of old, but that means she can give her consent. Okay, now she is a mentally ill pregnant female. Okay, there is another rule. If the pregnant woman is minor, or if she is mentally ill, at that time, the consent should be taken from the guardian. Okay, so during that time, the consent should be taken from the guardian. In any of the case, the partner consent is not necessary. Okay, the husband consent is not necessary if the woman is not willing for the abortion. Okay, in any case, if the woman is more than 18 years of old and he do not want to terminate the pregnancy, okay, so it is her consent. If the consent of the partner is not required. Okay, so here the option the partner C is wrong. So if you see this, a 22-year-old mentally ill pregnant woman, so she is ill. Okay, she is mentally ill. So here the answer will be the legal guardian. Okay. If you go with the rule for the MTP, the qualification done by whom? Done by a qualified registered medical practitioner who has assisted more than 25 cases of MTP. From them, the 5 cases should be done by him or her independently. Okay. From the 25 cases, the 5 cases should be done by him independently in any hospital, in any government hospital, or any training center or institution which is approved by the government. Okay, so consent of the woman or the guardian is not necessary. Husband consent is also not required. Not to be performed on husband request if the woman denies. Age proof not required to produce if the woman herself say that she is more than 18 years of old. Remember, if she is doing in the private hospital, the private hospital should obtain license from the government, from the CMO, should obtain the license from the chief medical officer.